निज परंपरा को माने आसथिबा जनजाति एमानकर गोटे यूनिक कल्चर नाच गीत वेशभूषा रक्त पियंती
living traditionally on milk, meat, and blood.
एमाने केबे माचिस की लाइटर यूज करते नाही एमाने काठो घसी निया बार करंती
Lions, giraffes, zebras.
Hundreds of years, they've been living peacefully alongside big game animals and surviving off the consumption of cattle like cows, goats, sheep, and
The
donkeys.
conception of love and marriage is very different from theirs.
नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ मुतु पंत स्वागत करते अजब दुनिया रा गजब अफ्रिकार पूर्व दुयर थिबा तांजानिया और केन्या मझिरे थिबा मसाई ट्राइब विषय किछि जानिबा तांकर परंपरा इतिहास वेशभूषा नाच गीत और तांकर जीवन यापन शैली चलंतु जानिबा एई जनजाति विषय एई वीडियो रे किछि तांजानिया देशर मसाई ट्राइब रो गांव अछि आउ केन्या देशर किछि मसाई ट्राइब रो गांव अछि जेंति मसाई मारा ए होची मसाई मारा जीवा पाए गोटे एंट्रेंस होते गेट प्रथमे ए ट्राइब को बोले तांकर आकर्षणीय जंपिंग डांस आउ ब्लेसिंग सॉन्ग किबा वेलकम सॉन्ग रे स्वागत
जल्दी देखते एमनटा ताको ट्रेडिशनल कॉस्ट्यूम अछि सोबा ओके ओके तो एटा जोटा आपण देखु जंदी एटा ताको ट्रेडिशनल
ए डेइबा नाच तांकर मसाई टाइप रो मा भाषा कहंती आडू मुंड बा आई कहंती
ओके ओके ओके
जंपिंग डांस रे तांकर 2 फुट रु अधिक डेथांती एठी तांकर जंपिंग डांस कंपटीशन करंती जे अधिक डेथाए तांको सेमिति अधिक सम्मान मिलता
नहीं नहीं नहीं
एमन नहीं बोली गली आशीर्वाद दछन भाई तांकर बहुत सुंदर रंगीन पोशाक विस्तृत अलंकार पिंधती एमाने क्यों धर्म को भी मानती नहीं विश्वास करती नहीं तांकर निजर परंपरा को नहीं निजे मानती और मानी आसी बेसिकली माने हाथीर गो निये लगाबारे व्यवहार करंती एई जनजातिर लोक माने माचिस की लाइटर व्यवहार करते नहीं पुरातन काल रे जेमिति काठ घोसी की निया बाहर करूथिले सेमिति ही निया लगांती ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଇବା ସମୟରେ ହାତୀ କିମ୍ବା ଗଧର ଗୁଅକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି ତାର ଘାସ
Be very much less in terms of making fire. You cannot be there to get food.
କାଢ଼ିବେ ମାନେ ତ ପୁରା ନିଆଁ ବାହାରିବ ପୁରା ନିଆଁ ଜଳେଇବେ ଦେଖିବେ ଧୂଆଁ ବାହାରିବା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା
See a little smoke?
Yes.
I see it.
The acacia and cedar that we used to make the fire.
କେଶା ଓ ଶିଲା ଗଛ କାଠକୁ ଘଷନ୍ତି ଓ ନିଆଁ ଲଗାନ୍ତି
ଏଠି ନିଆଁ ବାହାରିଛି ତ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଏବେ ହାତୀ ଗୁହ ଦେହରେ ପକା ହେଲା ଏଇ ଦେଖ ନିଆଁ ବାହାରିଲା
ଏଇ ନିଆଁକୁ ଗଧର ଗୁଅରେ ପକା ହବ ନିଆଁ ଲଗା ହବ
Wow, it didn't even seem like it was burning that much. It's just very hot. Wow. Oh, wow. That's crazy.
ପୁରା ନିଆଁ ଜଳିଲା ଦେଖିଲେ ପୁରା ନିଆଁ ଜଳିଲା
On the menu today and almost every day, goat.
ଏହି ଜନଜାତିର ଲୋକମାନେ ଗାଈ ଗୋରୁ ଛେଳି ମେଣ୍ଢା ମାନଙ୍କର କଞ୍ଚା ରକ୍ତ ପିଅନ୍ତି
Others are not allowed to eat food seen by women.
Goat is on the menu tonight, and it's suffocated silently so that no blood is spilled. As we've learned already, that stuff can be pretty useful.
This one? Yeah. It's just for the place which is the goats. We put on the top.
So they're taking the blood. Iru, that's where we get iron from. The goats are.
Oh, he's doing it right now?
Fine, they're the original. They have.
Oh my
ସବୁବେଳେ ଏମାନେ କାଠ କାଠ ହେଇ ଘଷି ନିଆଁ ଲଗାନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ ମେଣ୍ଢା ମାଂସ ପୋଡ଼ନ୍ତି ଖାଆନ୍ତି
So you've come in contact with different Masai people before, right?
And some meat here belongs to boys.
ଭାଇ ଏ କଞ୍ଚା ରକ୍ତ କେମିତି ଦେଖ ଭାଇ
It's okay because he's our guest.
So everyone's just gonna slaughter, cook, eat right in this little area,
Yes.
300 meters from the village,
Yeah.
and then bring back the food for the ladies.
Yes.
But if men are far off cooking, what's to stop them from eating all the meat, you might ask?
It's good. No, it's good. It's good stuff. My compliments to the chef.
They are making it, diluting it with a herb. He's a warrior. You see now, the blood is diluted, so it is good for drinking. Hello. These are the two special wood.
When you drank the blood, I think I'm okay with the leg. Like, I'm not going to complain.
ଭାଇ ଏମାନେ କଞ୍ଚା ମାଂସ ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି ଦେଖ ଭାଇ
A pregnant woman get this to make.
We say, this is happy. This is donkey dung.
Donkey dung.
Yes.
That is the kidney.
This is a traditional Masai barbecue. Goat meat skewered on sticks and placed without seasoning over a fire. Every part of the animal is used. And I mean it.
Something else that's really interesting is as we're watching.
This is the fat from the stomach.
What is going on? This is goat sushi.
Sometimes we eat the heart.
Sometimes you eat the heart raw.
Look at that.
That's the kidney?
Yeah, that's the kidney. You need to eat the kidney.
But the kidney is for the kid?
Yeah, this one is yours. Yeah, when this is mine.
Hold on, this is raw. This just came out of the goat. Raw.
The parts of meat are ready, so we are going to add those old mens and have the liver.
Does he just go in a circle?
Yes.
And then you get a bite, you get a bite?
Yeah.
It's literally the only way you could feed this many people is by having this kind of cooperation. You go around the circle, it's like the puff puff pass of goat meat, super fair, no one can complain. I love it. I love the ribs. It's warm, just bubbling with greasiness. Is there even salt here?
Natural salt.
Huge thank you to Holiday Destination Safaris.
In part 2 of this Masai series, we go even deep.
Good morning.
The
men grab a strong young cow and tie a tourniquet around its neck to find a vein. A special arrow is used, one to only make a small incision, so not to permanently harm the cow.
ଗାଈ ରକ୍ତ କାଢି ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଳିମିଶି ଖାଆନ୍ତି। ଏମାନେ କଞ୍ଚା ମାଂସ ବି ଖାଆନ୍ତି ଓ ପୋଡେଇକି ବି ଖାଆନ୍ତି।
ଏଠି ରକ୍ତ କାଢୁଛନ୍ତି ପାଖାପାଖି 2 ରୁ 3 ଲିଟର ଏଠି ରକ୍ତ କାଢବେ।
Then
ଏମାନେ କଞ୍ଚା ପିଇତେ
the local men and boys begin drinking without hesitation.
କଞ୍ଚା ଖାଇତେ ରକ୍ତ ପିଅନ୍ତି ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ମାନେ ପିଅନ୍ତି ଭାଇ।
Big and strong. Yeah.
Kind of what we're working with here.
So I speak to Daniel, a member of the local tribe who actually speaks English.
That's good.
He explains.
It's normal to drink blood. It's just a main food and a main drink for them. Because the Masai we depend on food and blood. With a period for them having enough grass and enough weather condition.
And how does the blood help your health?
It helps because it also helps us for protect from the diseases, and also it will make a fat or bring some health from the body. This has not have many chemicals, so it's good for our bodies. And we are survive well with this all the time. We are so fit in our body, and we are strong. That's why the Masai, they are strong. They can jump and they can run, and they are fit, even fight with the lions sometimes. But at this moment, it's not a time for fight for the lions. It's only for fight for how to...
Masai culture.
You are most welcome. This is the first time for seeing a white person drink a milk.
And do you think I liked it?
Yeah, you do. And we are ready to give you many wives as you want. Because it seems that you'll be a strong man.
This is even unlike anything even I've witnessed. And you know what they said earlier? This is the first time in this village that...
We've made it to Engaracero, our last spot to camp. And a lot of places in this world I go, and you see the younger generation kind of throwing away the
ଖାଇସାରିକି ମଶାଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗୁଟକା ବା ଭାଙ୍ଗ ଭଳିଆଟା ଖାଆନ୍ତି।
Little bit strange.
Once he gave to one day, one Italian asked him, like a tiny,
ଇଏ କହୁଛି କି ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଇଟାଲିଆନ ଆସିଥିଲା ସେ 10 ଥର ଛିକିଥିଲା ଗୁଟକା ଖାଇକି।
Just sniff it, it's not for you like him.
Look, Macamero.
ଏବେ ସେ ଗୁଟକାକୁ ନାକରେ ପକାଇ ଡ୍ରଗ୍ସ ଭଳିଆ ନାକରେ ପକାଇବେ ଆରେ ଶୁଙ୍ଘିବେ ଶୁଙ୍ଘିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଶା ହେବ। ଏବେ ଛିକୁଛି।
So the rules of this little Masai barbecue is interesting. The age groups all eat.
In the background, 2,000 meters from base to summit. It's a monster. One.
हेलो हाय ଆଉ around
ଏଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗୋଲ କରି ଘର ବନାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ମଝିରେ ପଶୁ ପାଳନ କରନ୍ତି କାହିଁକିନା ବାହାର ଚିତାବାଘ ସିଂହ ଆସନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଖାଇପାରିବେନି ତାକୁ ଫେନ୍ସିଂ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ହେଇଥିବ ଏ ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଘର ଯେମିତି ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବେ ବାଡ଼ ଦେବେ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଇଡରେ
And you stay in one place.
2 to 3 months.
And by then,
Houses framed with wood and covered
ଏଇ ଘର ତିଆରି କରିବା ବେଳେ କାଉଡ ମାନେ ଗାଈ ଗୋବର ଆଉ କାଠ ଆଉ ଘାସ ୟୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଫେନ୍ସିଂରେ ବାଡ଼ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟା ଗଛ ଏଇ ଘର ମାନେ ବେସିକାଲି ମହିଳାମାନେ ତିଆରି କରନ୍ତି ମସାଇ ମହିଳା ତାଙ୍କର 2 ରୁ 3 ସପ୍ତାହରେ ହେଇଯାଏ ତାଙ୍କର ଘର ତିଆରି
Built by ladies. Women build houses.
Okay.
And men they build? No, the men they don't build the roof, everything. Everything is built by ladies.
Okay.
Only the men build the fence behind the houses.
Okay.
So this is built by women. They use wood and cow dung for building the houses.
ଓକେ ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଘର ତିଆରି ହେଇଛି
ଏଇ ଲୋକ କହୁଛି କି ତାଙ୍କର ଘରର ଛାତ ବି ଗାଈର ଗୋବର ଆଉ ମାଟିରେ ହିଁ ତିଆରି ତାଙ୍କର ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ସେମାନେ ପୁରୁଷମାନେ ତିଆରି କରନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ କହିଲେ କି ୟାର ଘର ଖିଡ଼ିକି ଛୋଟ କାହିଁକି ବନାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ବାହାରେ ଚିତାବାଘ ସିଂହ ତାଙ୍କର ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ପରେ ବି ପଶି ଆସିଲେ ଘର ଭିତରେ ପଶି ଆସିପାରିବେନି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଝରକା ଛୋଟ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର କବାଟ ବି ତାର ଛୋଟ ହିଁ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଏଠି ଚାବି ଦେଇହେବ
And what is the house made out of?
Made by wood, grass, and cow dung.
Cow dung. These are bomas, Masai housing complexes consisting of a few huts, one for each wife, and an
ऐसा है इनका घर पूरा मिट्टी का बना हुआ है. Oh, it's very dark. True. Nothing is visible.
So you can just have a seat here. Just have a seat here.
Oh wow.
And then they got another like parents' room the way you are sitting. Yeah.
Okay.
And they got another new room there behind us there.
That's what room?
A storeroom there.
Mm-hmm.
And a special, and also that's like they have been using as a guest room, so it's not yet being complete houses.
तो ये इस लिटरली इस पर सोते हैं ये इनका बिस्तर है प्लास्टिक की शीट है लेकिन ये काउ हाइड्स को एज अ मैट्रेस इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
It's a constant temperature during the hot days and cool nights. Then
ଆଉ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଗଳି ଆସିଲା ଏଙ୍କ ଘରଟା ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ଅଛି ରେ ଭାଇ ଓକେ ସିଟ୍ ହିୟର
Yeah.
ଦିଟା ଚୁଲି ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବୋଧେ ଖାଇବା ବସେଇ କ'ଣ ବଢିଆ ରକମ ଦିଟା ବନାଇছে
So you have a kitchen.
Okay.
Also you have a sitting room.
Okay.
You have a storeroom.
ଓକେ
And also we have that part where we put the firewood.
ଓକେ ଓକେ ଏଠି କାଠ ରଖା ହେଇଛି
This is fire for this kitchen.
Kitchen, okay,
place
okay.
for cooking.
ଓକେ
And we have there we have a children's bedroom.
ଓକେ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ବେଡରୁମ୍ ତ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ତ କିଚେନ୍ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଠି କିଚେନ୍ ସାମାନ ରହିଛି ଏଇଟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ଗୁମ୍ଫା ଭଳିଆ ବନା ହେଇଛି ତା ଭିତରେ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ୟା ଭିତରେ ରୁହନ୍ତି ଏଠି ବେଡ୍ ଫେଡ୍ ବଢିଆ ରକମ ବନା ହେଇଛି ଅଲଗା ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଠାରୁ ତ ଭଲ ହିଁ ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆଙ୍କର ଏପଟେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ଥିଲା ଏଠି କାଠ ରଖା ହେଇଛି and
This is the guest bedroom.
this is the guest bedroom.
Yeah.
Suppose I come one day so I sleep here.
Yeah, you sleep here.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
तो एटा होची गेस्ट रो जो रूम अछि then
And this is my bedroom.
that is your bedroom.
Yeah, and here we have a storeroom.
This is the store room.
And this is sitting place.
तो एटा जोटा देखुछन एटा स्टोर रूम अछि so what you store here?
We store food and
oh okay okay स्टोर रूम भितर ता स्त्री को स्टोर करके रखी छी okay so this is the your room.
Yeah.
Okay.
bring 10 salaries for us.
देखो केते सारा गाई रखिचंती गोरु रखिचंती आ एरियाटा देखंतु पूरा एक्चुअली गोबर रे ही भर्ती ही छी पूरा
Enclosure for their cattle. Some interesting facts about the Masai. It's common for a Masai man to have many wives, but it's hard for us to understand this concept as our perception. Also, cattle are everything to the Masai. Their currency, their food, and absolutely central to their life. Because cattle are so precious, killing a cow is avoided whenever possible. Besides milk, did you know there's other ways you can get food from a cow? We're just about ready to tackle that.
यार चप्पल को देखो भाई टायर तैयार करिछि से स्ट्रैप मारी गिरी किछि कोंटा पंडा मारी
होची सेई बाटे ताको गां जति बड़ इनको मार्केट सेति बड़ एठी देखंतो
But if you like to get something,
ओके
Masai,
ओके
just we can will give you the price.
Okay.
So just have a look.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
just-
So what is this thing, this one?
This is a shell. Yeah, this is a shell. Normally
Okay.
we use this one for self-protection. Like
Self-protection.
when we fight.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is strong?
Yeah, very strong.
Oh.
When you fight it, when you just use to protect the head.
Oh.
Yeah, so that you will not be beaten.
ओके ओके तो यहाँ गोटे गोरु चमड़ार बनई आउ यहाँ एक्चुअली जो फाइट हुए से प्रोटेक्ट जमी आगु जमी बाहुबली मूवी देखते सेमती अच्छी आठी ट्रेडिशनल बेल्ट भी अच्छी बेल्ट तो ये मसाई बेल्ट अच्छी देख एम डिजाइन कर गोटे ब्रांड रो बेल्ट आठी मसाई ढोल अच्छी मसाई ढोल आठी किसी जिनस बनई रखी देखो मसाई लोक
और शादी होता है ना
हाँ
शादी में लड़कियों को ये ज्वेलरी जैसे ये सोने के भाव में बिकता है
ये
ये अगर आप खरीदने जाओगे तो ये केनियन शिलिंग में यहाँ करीबन ये पड़ जाएगा 6 से 7 हजार।
ओके
तो अगर इंडियन शिलिंग में आप कन्वर्ट करोगे फिर भी ये 4 के आसपास या 4 या 5 उसमें तो एक सोने का कुछ भी मिल जाएगा हम लोगों को।
ओके
तो ऐसे सोने के भाव में बिकता है और लड़कों की फैमिली को लड़की को होल सेट देना पड़ेगा
पूरा बॉडी का ओके
जो मसाई ज्वेलरी।
हेलो तो इस एरिया में आपको स्पेसिफिकली ज़्यादा गोबर दिखेगा एज़ कम्पेयर टू वहाँ जहाँ घास है और उसके पीछे रीज़न ये है कि ये अपनी गाय को लाकर यहीं पर रखते हैं अपनी फेंसिंग के अंदर शेरों से बचाने के लिए, तो इसलिए जगह गोबर से भरी हुई है। बड़ा बना रखा है, खेलने कूदने की काफ़ी जगह लग रही है। तो ये रही कीनिया शिलिंग्स। एक्चुअली मैंने कन्वर्जन गलत कर दिया था, 1:1000 का नहीं 1:100 का है, तो $40 के। तो आज पुम्बा का भी अच्छा वीडियो मिल रहा है। आज की गेम ड्राइव पर पुम्बा को भी बड़े करीब से देख लिया है, तो दिखने में ये सूअर जैसा